So this is the next phase. You can add frequently asked question if you like. So in order to get premium, or the next thing we are going to do is to write the gig description. So I'll show you how to write the gig description. Uh, Write email description. Write Fiverr Gig description for email signature or HTML image signature Gmail. So we are waiting for it to load. Now you copy it out, then you edit it in case if there is error. So bring it down to the notepad, paste it there, and you will read it thoroughly. If there is some you need to remove, you remove it. So for me now, this information, I've paused the video and I've read it and I'm satisfied with it. So I'm going to my Fiverr description and I'll paste it there. I can give it some bullet if I want. I can give it some space if I like. I think it can contain everything. Your order. So here is it. Here is the basic. So the next thing we are going to do now is to go to the next page. So you can add frequently add question if you like.